So when you're at home and you're looking for a way to stretch the shoulder into flexion, which is reaching out in front, or abduction, which is reaching out to the side, typically what I like to advise is, this is a bathroom, right? So I've got my bathroom door, I open it up. If I'm trying to stretch my left shoulder, what I'll do is I'll reach inside and grab inside the door frame. Now there's always this little lip that has any kind of molding around it. I'm grabbing inside, and then what happens is, as I lean my body back and away, I'm not pulling against the door, I'm simply holding on in a pain-free range of motion. I can actually squeeze and press down a little bit to engage the muscles under the arm to take some of the pressure off of the muscles on top. The supraspinatus, which is typically where the repair happened, or the bicep tendon, are going to be running on top of the shoulder. So if I'm pulling down just a little bit, I'm activating the tricep, the latissimus, and muscles opposite of where the procedure happened. So as I lean back into it, what happens is the door frame actually lifts my arm up into flexion. This position right here is exactly the same as this position right here, but it's happening in either a passive or assisted manner rather than active flexion. So active flexion is I lift the hand up. Passive or assisted is I'm pressing down while I flex the body and I relax back. The other benefit of something like this is it's creating a little bit of traction with the assisted flexion. So it's typically a comfortable position for most individuals. I can use my non-surgical hand on the door frame to give me even a little more push away, which creates a little more traction force. And then obviously as I'm improving, I can grab higher, I can lean back a little bit less and create that overhead flexion position. Full range of motion would be the upper arm is right in line with my ear overhead. So in the next video, I'll show you another way to work on external rotation in a similar position.